We've all been there. You're just a few paddles into your session and that familiar shoulder burn is already kicking in, threatening to cut a great surf day short. You might just chalk it up to needing more time in the water or lack of paddle fitness, but what if it's a sign of something you can actually do about right now? That early fatigue can be your body telling you it wasn't quite prepped for the work ahead. It might be a sign of muscle imbalances that over time don't just drain your power but also contribute to nagging shoulder pain and other injuries down the line. That's the stuff that can keep you out of water for weeks, not just the rest of the afternoon. But what if a simple 5-minute routine could help you feel more prepared? In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 most effective foam rolling exercises to do before you paddle out. The goal is to improve your mobility, feel stronger in the water, and surf longer. We'll get into how, and I'll show you exactly why this small habit might make a huge difference in how you feel. So how can a simple piece of foam help your surfing? It's not magic, it's about preparing your body for movement. To get in, we need to talk about fascia. Think of fascia as a thin, tough webbing that wraps around and connects pretty much everything in your body. Muscles, bones, you name it. When it's healthy, your muscles can glide past each other smoothly, but factors like sitting at the desk or even the repetitive motion of paddling can lead to tightness in this system. This tightness can feel like knots and may restrict movement, cause some muscles to work over time and lead to that quick burnout feel in your shoulders. Foam rolling is a form of self-myofascial release, which is a fancy word of saying self-massage. By applying targeted pressure, you can help ease some of that tension. This may offer a few key benefits for your surfing performance. First, you can gain a noticeable improvement in flexibility and range of motion. When you ease tension in your muscles and fascia, you're helping your body move more freely. For a surfer, that's huge. It can mean a longer, more efficient paddle stroke because your lats and shoulders aren't fighting as much internal resistance. It could also mean deeper bottom turns because your hips and upper back are able to rotate more freely. Many studies show you can get a temporary boost in range of motion with foam rolling. It's a great pre-surf option because you can get this mobility gain without the potential for a temporary drop in muscle power that some studies have linked to long-duration static stretching. Second, foam rolling may help prime your muscles for action. The pressure from the roller can increase blood flow, which helps get oxygen to your muscles. More importantly, it is thought to stimulate nerve receptors in the muscle tissue. The idea is that this improves the connection between your brain and your muscles, helping your body recruit more fibers more effectively. Instead of a few fibers doing all the work and guessing out, your body might learn to distribute the load. This could translate to more efficient paddling and less fatigue. Some research has shown that pre-rolling can lead to small, short-term improvements in sprint performance, which is similar to the explosive paddling you need to catch a wave. Finally, foam rolling can be a smart part of your injury risk reduction strategy. Surfing involves a lot of repetitive motion, which can create predictable muscle imbalances over time. Your chest and the front of your shoulders often get tight, while the muscles in your upper back that stabilize your shoulders can get stretched out and weak. This is a classic recipe for issues like shoulder impingement and rotator cuff problems. Foam rolling helps counteract this by releasing those chronically tight muscles like your pecs and lats. By managing this tightness before it becomes a bigger problem, you're not just prepping for one surf session, you're investing in your long-term health in the water. Now that you get the why, let's jump into the how. I'll walk you through a simple routine you can follow. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, but it will be 5 minutes well spent before you paddle out. 3 simple moves, 5 minutes. Thoracic spine for posture, lats for your paddle stroke, and pecs to protect your shoulders. By doing this quick routine before each session, you're not just warming up, you're helping rebalance your body, improve your muscles function, and reduce your risk of injury. You're giving the right muscles a heads up that they're about to go work. That early shoulder burn isn't something you just have to accept. It's a signal. Listen to your body and add this pre-surf rolling to your routine to perform better. You'll feel more prepared, you may last longer, And most importantly, you'll be taking a smart step to keep yourself in the water and doing what you love for years to come. If you found this helpful and want more tips to build a resilient surf body, make sure you subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know if you tried this routine and how it felt. Now, go grab your roller and I'll see you there. All you need is a basic foam roller. We're hitting the 3 key areas that get tight on surfers. For each one, the key is to move slowly and breathe. We're looking for that good hurt, a sign of tension releasing, not sharp pain. First up, let's tackle the #1 cause that hunched over paddler's posture, the thoracic spine or your upper and mid back. Getting this area moving is key for better paddling mechanics and powerful turns. To start, sit on the floor with the foam roller behind you, running side to side. Lie back so it's under your mid-back, right around the bottom of your shoulder blades. Bend your knees, plant your feet, and then give yourself a big hug, grabbing your opposite shoulders. This pulls your shoulders blades apart so the roller can get to the muscles around your spine. Now lift your hips just off the floor. Use your legs to slowly roll up and down your mid and upper back. Stay off your neck and lower back. We're just working on that area between the bottom of your ribs and the base of your neck. If you find a tender spot, just pause it and breathe. You can also add a gentle arc back over the roller to open up your chest. Spend about 45 to 60 seconds here. You're basically resetting your posture between you even zip your wetsuit. Next, we're hitting the engine of your pedal stroke, the lats. These are the huge muscles that run from your armpit down the side of your back. When they are tight, they pull your shoulder forward and limit your reach, leading to a shorter paddle stroke, putting extra stress on your rotator cuff. To get your lat lie on your right side with the roller high up in your armpit, just behind the shoulder. Extend your right arm in front of you at about 45-degree angle. Use your top leg and left arm to control how much pressure you apply. Now slowly roll down the side of your body, stopping before you hit the lower back. The real magic here is to slightly rotate your body as you roll. Tilt your chest up toward the ceiling to hit the back of the lat, then tilt it toward the floor to get the front. This spot can be intense, so when you find a tender area, just hang out and breathe for 15 to 20 seconds. After about a minute, switch and do the other side. You'll feel an immediate difference in how long and smooth your paddle stroke feels. The final move is for your pecs and the front of your shoulder. We all spend too much time hunched over phones and computers, which shortens our chest muscles and pulls our shoulders forward. This can be a major contributor to shoulder impingement for surfers. For this, the corner of your foam roller works, but the lacrosse or tennis ball is even better. Lie face down and place the ball or roller corner in that fleshy part of your chest just inside your shoulder joint. Stay off the boat. Support yourself on your forearms and let your body weight sink in. You don't need to roll around much here. Sustained pressure is the goal. To take it up a notch, slowly move your arm on that side through different motion. Try sweeping it out to the side or lifting it overhead. This spins the muscle and then actively stretches it, which is incredibly effective. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds on each side, breathing the whole time. Opening up your chest like this helps protect your shoulders and lets you open up for a faster pop-up. And that's it. 3 simple moves, 5 minutes. Thoracic spine for posture, lats for your paddle stroke, and pecs to protect your shoulders. By doing this quick routine before each session, you're not just warming up, you're helping rebalance your body, improve your muscles function, and reduce your risk of injury. You're giving the right muscles a heads up that they're about to go work. That early shoulder burn isn't something you just have to accept. It's a signal. Listen to your body and add this pre-surf rolling to your routine to perform better. You'll feel more prepared, you may last longer, and most importantly, you'll be taking a smart step to keep yourself in the water and doing what you love for years to come. If you found this helpful and want more tips to build a resilient surf body, make sure you subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know if you tried this routine and how it felt. Now, go grab your roller and I'll see you there.